In this tutorial, I will be showing you the step-by-step process on how to set up your grade calculations for each of your classes. It is extremely important that these calculations are set up correctly so that PowerTeacher can accurately average the final grades for your students. Please take the time to check each setup in all of your classes to make sure they are correct. This will save yourself and others a lot of time and headaches at the end of the school year. In the Classes panel, click on the Current Classes drop-down menu. You can click on the current school year. All of your classes for the entire year will be shown in the Classes panel. Now click the Grade Setup tab. F1 is considered a reporting term, and F1 represents the final average. We are going to set this up first. F1 is a reporting term because its grades are calculated based off of other terms' grades. To set up the course final grade calculations, double-click F1 reporting term. You must select term weights to calculate the F1 final grade. We need to select term weights because it's based off of the terms Q1 and E1. We're going to set Q1 weight to 80 and set E1, the exam weight, to 20. That is, the Q1 quarter is 80% of your quarter grade, and your exam is 20% of this quarter grade. And click Save. Quarter terms are averaged using your category assignment weights. To set up first quarter calculations, double-click Q1 reporting term. We are going to select to calculate Q1 final grade using category weights. At the bottom, select Add Category. From the list of categories you have created, check the box beside each category you will use during quarter 1 for this class, such as homework, projects, quiz, major assignments, etc. Click OK. We are now going to assign a weight to each category. These weights must correspond to the percentages found in your class syllabus. For example, if you use the district major and minor weighting categories, then your major weight should be 50 and your minor weight should be 50. Or for some schools, the major weight will be 60 and the minor weight will be 40. Remember, if you choose to break down the minor category to include homework, it cannot count more than 20%. It is important to check to make sure that the weight columns all add up to 100. Click Save. If your class does not take an exam, you can continue to the next section, which is copying your grade setup. For classes that are taking an exam, we need to set up the exam calculations by selecting E1 reporting term. Select to calculate E1 final grade using category weights. At the bottom, we will add a category. From the list of categories you created, check the exam box only and click OK. In the weight column, we will set the exam weight to 100 and click Save.